Hi, I'm Gurjeet from Jobber. You're working with a service provider that uses Jobber to help them run their business. I'm going to show you how easy and hassle-free it's going to be to work with them. Whether you want to approve a quote, check appointment details, pay an outstanding invoice, print a receipt, or request more work, you can do it all in one place, Client Hub. Your provider will send you quotes by email or text for your review. Click the View button or link to access Client Hub. If needed, you can request changes to the quote. If you're good to go, click Approve. If you've been sent multiple quotes from the service provider, you'll be able to see them all in Client Hub. Check out your upcoming appointment details anytime. You can see the date, time, and address of your appointments, as well as the first name and profile photo of any team members coming to do the service. You can see any past and upcoming appointment information and feel comfortable knowing who's coming and when. Ready to take care of your invoice? We've made it easy. No need to call in. You can pay online anytime. When it comes to tracking and printing records, quotes, invoices, receipts, that's a lot of potential email and paperwork to file. Client Hub can be your single source of all of this documentation, and you'll have 24/7 access to it when you need it. Requesting more work? Go straight to Client Hub at any time, day or night, to share details about new work you'd like done. You don't have to wait to get your provider on the phone. Watch for a login email that contains your secure, personalized link to Client Hub, and bookmark it. Each quote or invoice that you receive will also include this same link, which means no passwords to track and reset. We're here to help your provider give you a seamless and hassle-free experience.